guys, so in today's video, it's snowing, as you can see. Like, it's running pretty hard. Like, I was outside for like 30 seconds running over to the barn, and I'm already soaked with snow. So we're riding the upper track in snow, so let's do it.
Money that I don't accept. Like this. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button if you would like to see more snow videos, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next video.
She said we should hook up the boyfriend and booger. Don't know me that look up. I'm being the clouds.